Welcome to Petteril Cottages. Today I'm here to show you a fantastic opportunity if you're looking for a home that you want to put your own stamp on. This is a superb property which offers lots of opportunity for you to make your own. It's a semi-detached cottage dating back to around 1896. There's a date stone at the back of the house and it sits in a superb plot, around a quarter of an acre in total. There's some fantastic gardens just to the side of me here. There's a lovely area of hard standing. There's lots of external space and a home which has got some fantastic proportions. So let me spin the camera around, show you the street scene. We'll go inside this fantastic home. So this is the street scene. So I'm stood outside of Petteril Cottage South, which is this house to the left here, and this is the access track which takes us up through a farm and then out onto the road, which takes us in two directions, either up towards Corthwaite or up towards High Heskett. Excuse me. So this is the access point, and then as we come around all this land just to the right hand side of the property, so all this hard standing here and the gardens which extend to about 0.25 of an acre plot in total are included with this property, so ample parking. Now we've got an area, let's look at the gardens first actually. So an area of hard standing that I'm just walking across now, that extends down to an area of lawn which sits just here. You've also got further gardens across the side there as well. There is a track here as well, so you've got more parking there if you wanted to. And this plot is a lovely private plot. You do have one other neighbour, as you can see there, but what a peaceful and stunning location. We're surrounded by fields here in a lovely rural community, and it's such a superb home if you're looking for a property in this location. So let's go inside first of all. We've done what's the front garden. Let's go inside, then we'll come outside and have a look at the gardens which are over here and to the back. So as we come in, what we have is we've got an entrance porchway first of all, and as I come through you'll see there's some nice pieces of exposed stone here in this boot room come entrance porchway. This is looking out over the parking area, and then this extends through into the kitchen. Now this home is in need of renovation, so looking at the spaces, looking at the sizes here, you've got some really good proportions. This is a kitchen, it's nice and light. You've got a range of cabinets in here already, but if you wanted to, you've got a nice amount of space to play with to put a new kitchen in if you wanted to. And this is adjoined by a sort of utility pantry room, so you've got a little bit more space there, and a space which sits under the stairs, which is further shelving there as well. So really good sized kitchen with two storage spaces just to the left behind me. Then we extend through into the lounge. Now this is a light filled space. We've got dual aspect windows looking out over the rear garden and to the side. We've got a nice central fireplace feature there as well. And as you'll be able to see as I step back, we've got another room just off to the right hand side as well. This staircase takes us up to the first floor. But as we come round into this sort of L-shaped sitting room, this is a perfect dining room space, snug. It's a really big, nice and sociable space on the ground floor. It is in need of some TLC. You'll note a little bit of damp in places, but this is a great project if you're looking for a renovation project and wanting to be in a really lovely and peaceful location. So this is the second part of the sitting room. We've got a doorway which takes us out to the back garden, which we'll go out of in a second, but before we do so, we'll go up onto the first floor. So we've got quite a wide staircase here. We come up at the turn in the stairs, we've got a lovely view out to the parking area, and the boundary plan for this property is going to be available online, so you can see the extent to the plot that is going to be for sale. Then as we come up onto the landing, we've got 3 bedrooms and a family bathroom. The family bathroom is a recently fitted shower room with a walk-in shower there, vanity unit WC, and has got lovely shower boarding. Then across the hallway, we've got bedroom number 1. Lovely features in a couple of the rooms here. You've got a nice fireplace there, and you've got space for fitted wardrobes as well. Double glazing. And then looking down onto the garden space, a really nice private view. So this is bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2 just sits to the side, so another great proportion, another fireplace, more fitted wardrobes to the left hand side there, double glazing. Nice view out of the window, and another really good size proportion double bedroom. got a storage cupboard straight ahead of us, and then the third bedroom's actually got a fireplace as well, so slightly smaller here but a small double room. And this time we're looking out over the front of the property down towards where my car's parked there as well. So good sized bedroom number 3. Now, subject to the relevant planning consents, there's plenty of space outside, so if you're looking to maybe extend this home, there are options to do so. Equally, if you wanted to landscape the gardens, it's got a lovely opportunity. The gardens are beautiful. We're going to head out there now to have a little look so you can see what potential it has. And to do so, we could go out the back door, but I'm actually not going to. I'm going to go out the front and walk you around to the side, because the garden to the side is quite extensive. So coming back through the porch, around the corner here, this is the track that you saw a few minutes ago, and then round to the side we have more garden spaces. It's worth noting what you can hear in the background is just the railway line, which isn't visible from here, but that's just passing in the far distance over here. So the garden here is lovely and wild. It's nice areas of lawn, you've got lots of trees. It's so peaceful, and it extends with this path, taking us all the way down here. And like I said at the beginning of my video, we're about 1/4 of an acre plot in total, and it extends all the way down here as well. It's absolutely super. So there's even more to show you as we go around the back of the property. You just hear the birds, the wildlife. There's an abundance of wildlife here in such an accessible location. We're close to High Heskett, we're close to Penrith, Colthwaite, Carlisle, in an ideal location. It's so quiet. And then this is the back garden. So coming out of this door here from the lounge, you're greeted with a nice hard standing area, lots of trees and shrubs, but that gives you lots of privacy, but it doesn't affect the light, as you've seen. And then your boundaries here. So looking back at the house from this angle, the date stone at the top there says 1896, so lots of history here, but lots more potential should you wish this to be your family home. So what a superb opportunity. You've got a 3-bedroom semi-detached property here, sitting with extensive gardens, lots of parking, all in a rural location. It's beautifully private, it's lovely and quiet, and just one neighbouring property, and it's accessed through a farm, which you saw at the beginning of the video. So this is a super opportunity. If you're looking to put your own stamp on a home, subject to the relevant planning consents, perhaps an extension to the side to create an even bigger property, or just looking for a lovely peaceful retreat, then this may be the one for you. So for more information, please give us a call on 01768 881111, and we'd love to give you some more information.